What's going on, everyone? It's QW. And look, I'm just going to get straight to the point. In this video, I'm revealing exactly how I make $500 per day online. That breaks down to over $15,000 per month. And it's completely changed my life. Not only have I been able to quit my job and work from anywhere in the world, but it's given me a level of freedom and flexibility I never thought possible. Now, I know what you're probably thinking. This is another one of those scam videos. Trust me, I get it, which is why I'm not going to sit here and promise you'll get rich quick. This isn't one of those courses that cost thousands of dollars with some guru promising you the world. Instead, this video is going to break down the exact step-by-step process of how I did it, and how you can too. And just to show you I'm not messing around, I'm not going to show you any usernames, mention any specific brands, or anything that would compromise my personal information. This is about giving you the tools and knowledge to replicate my success. Sound good? Let's do it. The first step, and arguably the most important step, is choosing your niche. This is the foundation of your online business, and it's crucial you pick something that's not only profitable, but something you're actually passionate about. Trust me, waking up every day to work on something you hate is a recipe for disaster. Now, when I say niche, I'm talking about a specific topic or market you want to target. This could be anything from online marketing to personal finance to travel to gaming, literally anything. The key is to choose something that has a large enough audience and high enough demand to make you money. A great way to research niches is to use tools like Google Trends, SEMrush, or even just browsing popular subreddits or Facebook groups. Look for topics that have a lot of engagement, people asking questions, and a clear need for solutions. For example, let's say you're really into fitness and have a knack for creating workout plans. You could easily target the home workout niche. This is a massive market with tons of potential customers, and you could offer online coaching, personalized workout plans, even meal prep guides. The possibilities are endless. But remember, the goal here is to find a niche that you're genuinely interested in, because that passion will shine through in your work and attract a loyal following. Don't be afraid to experiment with different niches until you find the perfect fit. It might take some time, but trust me, it's worth it. Once you've identified your niche, it's time to move on to the next step, choosing the right platform. Now that you've chosen your money-making niche, it's time to figure out where you're going to set up shop. Luckily, in the world of online business, you've got options. Let's break down some of the best platforms for making $500 per day online. First up, we've got the OG itself, YouTube. I mean, you're watching this video right now, so you already know the power of this platform. YouTube is amazing for building an audience, establishing yourself as an expert in your niche, and generating passive income through ads, sponsorships, and even selling your own products or services. The key with YouTube is consistency and high-quality content. You've got to be willing to put in the work, create engaging videos, and optimize them for search so people can actually find them. Next, we've got the world of blogging and affiliate marketing. This involves creating a website or blog around your niche, writing informative and engaging content, and then partnering with companies to promote their products or services. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that you earn a commission for every sale you generate through your unique referral link. It's a win-win. Then there's social media. Platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and even Facebook can be incredibly lucrative if you know how to leverage them correctly. The key here is to build a strong following by creating engaging content, interacting with your audience, and providing value. You can then monetize your following through sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, or even selling your own products or services. And listen, I know this might seem overwhelming, but that's why I'm here to break it down for you. The most important thing is to choose a platform that aligns with your strengths and your niche. If you're comfortable being on camera and creating videos, YouTube might be your jam. If you're a wordsmith and enjoy writing, blogging and affiliate marketing could be your golden ticket. And if you're a social media butterfly, well, you get the idea. All right, now that you've got your niche and your platform locked in, it's time to build your online empire. Don't worry, I'm not talking about creating some massive corporation overnight. We're going to start small, focus on the essentials, and scale up from there. The first step is to establish your online presence. If you're going the YouTube route, create a channel, design an eye-catching banner, and film a killer intro video that hooks viewers from the start. If blogging is more your style, choose a domain name that's catchy, easy to remember, and relevant to your niche. Then design a website that's both visually appealing and easy to navigate. Remember, first impressions matter, so make it count. Once you've got your online headquarters up and running, it's time to start creating content. This is where you provide value to your audience, establish yourself as an expert, and ultimately, start generating income. If you're on YouTube, focus on creating high-quality videos that are informative, engaging, and optimized for search. Think about the questions your target audience is asking and create content that provides the answers. For bloggers, it's all about crafting well-written, informative articles that rank well in search engines and provide value to your readers. Use headlines that grab attention, break up your text with images and subheadings, and make sure your content is easy to read and understand. And no matter what platform you choose, consistency is key. Set a realistic content schedule and stick to it. The more value you provide, the more your audience will grow, and the more opportunities you'll have to monetize. Okay, so you've got your niche, your platform, and you're creating awesome content. Now let's talk about the fun part, making it rain. Scaling your online business to $500 per day requires a combination of strategies, and it all starts with understanding how you're going to monetize your efforts. One of the most common ways to make money online is through advertising revenue. On YouTube, this means enabling monetization on your videos and earning a share of the ad revenue generated from views. For bloggers, it's all about placing ads strategically on your website and earning money based on clicks or impressions. The key here is to build a large and engaged audience, as ad revenue is directly tied to traffic. Another lucrative avenue is affiliate marketing. This involves partnering with companies and promoting their products or services on your platform. You'll earn a commission for every sale you generate through your unique referral link. The key to successful affiliate marketing is to choose products or services that are relevant to your niche and that you genuinely believe in. Don't just promote anything and everything for a quick buck. Your audience can see right through that. If you're creating your own products or services, you can also sell them directly through your platform. This could be anything from online courses and ebooks to coaching services and physical products. The beauty of selling your own stuff is that you have complete control over pricing, marketing, and customer service. Plus, you get to keep a larger portion of the profits. Listen, I know building a successful online business can feel overwhelming, but trust me, you don't have to do it alone. There are tons of amazing resources and tools out there that can help you level up your hustle and achieve your goals. First things first, invest in your education. There are countless online courses, ebooks, and workshops that can teach you everything from SEO and social media marketing to video editing and web design. Platforms like Skillshare, Udemy, and Coursera offer a wide range of affordable courses taught by industry experts. Next, surround yourself with a supportive community. Join online forums, Facebook groups, and mastermind groups related to your niche. Connect with other entrepreneurs, share your wins and challenges, and learn from each other's experiences. Having a strong network can make all the difference when you're building a business. And finally, don't be afraid to invest in tools that can streamline your workflow and boost your productivity. There are tools for everything from email marketing and social media scheduling to keyword research and website analytics. Some of my personal favorites include Canva for creating stunning graphics, Google Analytics for tracking website traffic, and Trello for managing projects. So there you have it, guys. That's a breakdown of how I make $500 per day online, and how you can too. Remember, it all starts with choosing the right niche, finding the perfect platform, creating high-quality content, and monetizing your efforts effectively. Don't be afraid to experiment, learn from your mistakes, and most importantly, never give up on your dreams. Building a successful online business takes time, effort, and dedication, but the rewards are well worth it. And to help you out even further, I've included some helpful infographics throughout this video that break down the key points. Be sure to check those out and use them as a reference as you start building your online empire. As always, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos on how to crush it online. Until next time.